Hi, my name is Warner Lewis from the Harkov-Lewis team, and I'm absolutely thrilled today to take you on a tour of 7T at 34 North 7th. Two very fun facts about this unit. One, this is the second time it's ever traded. The first time my clients bought this, they could have bought any unit in the building when this was coming up. They chose this over any penthouse unit specifically because of the layout and the view profile here, which is absolutely stunning. The second is, this is the first time in the history of real estate for me in 20 years that I'm selling something that will actually have a better view than it currently has. That is because there's a warehouse that's going to come down and a beautiful expansive park will be created on the doorstep, which this apartment has the best views of in the whole neighborhood. This 2,273 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom residence in the North Tower of the Edge is a remarkable home. With light pouring in from northern, western, and eastern exposures through 20-foot floor-to-ceiling windows, this residence features an almost 700 square foot living room, 3 spacious bedrooms, and 522 square feet of private outdoor space. Highlights include a gourmet kitchen with double ovens, quartz countertops, a stainless steel farm sink, Bosch and Miele appliances, a walk-in closet in the primary bedroom, and ample storage space throughout, plus 2 private storage units within the building. This is what truly sets the Edge apart from any other building you will possibly visit. This pool is a sanctuary in the summer, the spring, the winter, or fall. I personally use it all year round, and it's a wonderful amenity that no building can beat. Not only do we have that, but we also have a jacuzzi, a steam room, and a sauna that round out this magical amenity package that, again, cannot be beat. Fitness centers, a full-size indoor basketball court, virtual golf, 2 children's playrooms, 2 movie screening rooms, lounges, and a parking garage. So this area, which is right off the pool, is the perfect place to congregate in the spring or summer, bring friends over, have a bottle of wine, grill a steak, and just get to relax right by the water. And if you get too hot, just jump in the pool. Situated on the waterfront, with the East River State Park next door on the promenade and pier out front, the location offers breathtaking skyline views and sunsets. The Smorgasburg and Brooklyn Fee are at your doorstep on weekends, and you are steps from restaurants, bars, and shopping that have made Williamsburg one of the hottest neighborhoods in the city. If you'd like to see this fabulous apartment at the Edge Condominium, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or any member of the Harkov-Lewis team. We'd love to show it to you.